Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log into your Atomic Wallet application. Logging into Atomic Wallet is a super easy process, so let's go get started. First of all, launch open the Atomic Wallet app from your app drawer. Soon after you launch it open, it'll prompt you to enter your login password. Go ahead and enter your password that is associated with your Atomic Wallet account in the text box. After you type it in, tap on login and you will then be able to import your wallet. So that's how you easily sign into Atomic Wallet account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.